Today we're going to talk about the two sounds that the letter C can make. C can make a hard sound, k, k, and it can make a soft sound, s, s. So sometimes we call C a copycat letter because the hard sound, k, k, sounds like a K, and the soft sound, s, s, sounds like an S. So C copies two sounds. The trick is to figure out when C makes each sound. And there's a simple way. Most of the time, if C is followed by A, O, or U, it makes its hard sound. And if it's followed by I or E, it makes its soft sound. So let's practice a few of those words. Ready? C followed by A says K. We have cat, cat. Or we can have can, right? What word do we have here? Well, we have two vowels. So we have two syllables. We know we have a consonant plus Y, so we're going to separate it and read the word. Candy. Candy. Right. C followed by A says k, k, the K sound. C followed by O also makes the k, k, K sound, as in cop. Here's C followed by O, and it's a long O, and it still makes the K sound. Cone, cone, right? Cone. C followed by U makes the K sound. Cup, cup, cup. We could put a T there and it would be cut, cut. Good. C followed by A, O, or U makes the k, k sound. We call that hard C. It's copying the K. It makes the k sound. C followed by E or I makes the s sound. It copies S. So let's sound out this word. Ready? Cent. Cent. Yes, a penny is 1 cent. C followed by E makes the S sound, S, or its soft sound, S. C followed by I makes the S sound, the S sound. So let's sound out this word. Cinch. Sound it out again. Cinch. Say it fast. Cinch. Oh, that's a cinch. That's easy. I can do that really easily. A lot of times you'll see CE at the end of words, and when you do, it will always make the S sound. Like ace or ice, right? If you see a C followed by an E, it will make the S sound. All right, let's sound out this word. Ready? Fence. E is silent, isn't it? Fence. Say it fast. Fence. Yeah, if you see CE at the end of a word, the E is silent, and the C says its S sound. S. Let's try one more. Are you ready to sound this out? C is at the end of the word, so CE says S. E does not make its own sound. We have one syllable. Let's sound it out. Prince. Let's do it again. Prince. Say it fast. Prince. Good. You can see that C followed by E or followed by I makes the S sound. S. Good job studying the two sounds of C.